Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is that should AI tools or robots replace human teachers in schools or not? So, without any further delay, we should start, and you stop there. So, uh, both the teams are ready, and everyone has come. So, we must start now. So, first, I would like to call from this team.
So today I would like to speak about the which teachers are good for us, robotic teachers or human teachers. So I personally believe that humans teachers are far better than the robotic teachers. So why? First of all, I want to tell that who made robots? Humans made robots. So who has more knowledge than the robots? Humans has more knowledge than the robots. So now we can say that humans has more knowledge than the robots. And second thing, I would like to speak about the way of the teaching. You know that in a school there are a lot of kind of student who are from basic level, students who are from average level. And when teachers will teach you, they will teach you according to their needs. Like if you are from basic level, so they will teach you from basic. If you are from average level, so they will teach you from average. But robots will not teach you like this. Robot will teach you continuously, and you can't ask question again and again from the robots, because robot will give you from the bookish language which you can't understand. But whenever teacher teaches you, they will connect their example from their personal life, so it is very helpful for the students.
Okay, as my perception, robotic teachers are far better than the human teachers. So, if I talk about personalized learning, so robotic teachers can understand individual needs and learning style of every student, and it can also plans customized learning for every student. And robotic teachers never get tired, and they are always available. So that's why students can get help anytime. And if I talk about consistency, so robotic teachers provide information in the same way every time. So that's why students get accurate and reliable information. And if I talk about data analysis, so robotic teachers can track the performance of every student with the help of vast amounts of data analysis. And if I talk about cost effective, so when we implant the robotic teachers in the schools, then we don't have to give salary and benefits to robotic teachers. And if I talk about emotions, so robotic teachers don't have emotions, and there are a lot of benefits of this thing that robotic teachers don't have emotions, because robotic teachers are objective about decisions and evaluations without any personal base. And robotic teachers give information in the same way to every student without any variation.
Okay, sister, you mentioned that we don't need to give salary to the robots. You know that what is the cost of robots when we made robots? So it's above the 80 lakhs. And you know when robotic teachers will teach you, so you have to pay 3,50,000 for a month. Can you pay? No one can pay this much fees for getting education. And second thing, I would like to speak about the emotions. You know that what is the benefit of emotions? You know when a humans teacher will teach you, they can understand your emotion. Like if you are suffering from fever, so they can understand. If you don't do homework because of the fever, so they can understand. But robotic teachers can't understand.
Sister, as you are saying that there are advantages of this thing that human teachers have emotions, so there are also disadvantages of this thing, because there are a lot of students who have fear that if I said that to my teachers, then what would he or she think about me. So because of this fear, they didn't say anything to their teacher. But we can say anything to robotic teachers, we can ask anything to robotic teachers, because we know that robotic teachers
If
don't have
I
emotions. So that's why robotic teachers treat everyone equally. So that's why robotic teachers will teach everyone equally without any variation.
So if a student from basic level, so it will teach you from average level. A student can understand. No, a student can't understand when the robot will teach you from the average level. And
Listen, it is not like that. When we ask anything to robotic teachers, then they provide information. But if we
But
are
you know
not
that
able to understand,
explanation.
so we can say to robotic teachers, then they will provide you information in the other way.
So explanation of robotic teachers are very hard. No one can understand, because their language and their words, vocabulary, they are very hard. If you want to,
It is not like
you
that.
want to
If you are not
understand,
able to understand
Listen, let me
vocabulary, so you can also ask that.
I didn't listen, Saji. I didn't listen. Speak again.
I said that if you are unable to understand that what they are saying, if you are unable to understand vocabulary and meaning, so you can also ask.
But sister, it doesn't happen because they will tell you in a very hard way. No one can understand, and they will not tell you again and again. And they will tell you again and again in a just bookish language. They will tell you. They will not connect with your personal life like human teachers can connect.
And I have a question: that are human teachers always consistent in their teaching?
I agree with you, sister. I agree with you. They are not consistent, but they teaches when they come.
That and consistency is very important in study.
Okay, if you are going in the school, in the government schools, robots can damage. At that time, robots can get damage. So,
Listen, because of injury and because of mood swings. Okay, because of injury, because of mood swings, human teachers, many time human teachers not teaching with consistency, and consistency is very important in study. But robotic teachers cannot get injury. Robotic
why
teachers
in
are always consistent. Robotic teachers are not lazy, so that's why robotic teachers provide information with the consistency. They can teach with consistency.
so you are saying that robotic teachers are very good. So why in the world, in every school, why robots are not teaching you? If robots are good,
There
so
are
they
a
will
lot
teach you.
of countries in which robotic teachers are teaching. Their
in
human teachers are not
India, there are
available.
just one state in Kerala, 2-3 schools. There are in which in that school you will find just 2 and 3 robotic teacher. They teaches you in Kerala, but just only.
So in starting, I forgot to mention about this pen. Last time I mentioned. So that who is winner of it? So first I will announce it. I bought one, but I will give 3 because the winners are 3. The first one is Miss Sabha. First means actually you are first today, and then second is Fabiha, and third is Miss who would be. Third is Miss Zoya. Shocked. Now listen numbers. So Sania got 7.5, and Bashir got 8, and Zoya got 9 out of 10. Rukaya got 8. Rukaya made many mistakes while speaking. Errors she made. Naz got 6.5. Khalid also got 6.5. Shabnam got 7.5, and Rimsha got 9. Amreen got 6.5. Khalid again got 6.5. And Khalid is a kind of compliment for you because these people against whom you spoke, they have been learning for years, especially Amreen Api. But you matched them. Afsha got 9. Safia got 9.5. You were asking me mistakes. You spoke good, your points were good, but there is fluency. Okay. ये लास्ट वाला टर्न था ना, ऐसा मांगता मेरे को. और जो इधर बाजी खड़ी थी ना, ठीक है, इधर भी खतरनाक था, लेकिन इधर वाली के जो पॉइंट्स थे और जो एक्सप्रेशंस, जो कॉन्फिडेंस आया चेहरे पे आज, ओहो क्या ही कहने, वैसा ही चाहिए हमको. एंड देन केम Amreen Maji got 8. Ilma got 7.5, and Fabia got, actually she got 10 out of 10, but I would say that 13 on 10. And to Sabha, I would say that she also got 10 out of 10, but I would say that 15 on 10. Okay, so I would like to announce which team is winner. Real. So, who's the captain of this team? So, Fabia's team scored 73. We've done it. And